Okay, so less likely question that you would see, more likely you would see a circle drawn and you'd have to figure out the equation of it. But let's say you get this. So it says x squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 4 squared. It says sketch it. I need to know the center. Okay, well, I'm thinking that probably you look at this and you're like, well, it's the 2, and then the radius is 4 because it's 4 squared. All right. But then what goes here? So now here's the issue. This just says x squared. So there's no number like there's supposed to, finger quote, supposed to be. All right, so you have to think what number would go in those parentheses and would just go away. All right, the only number that really ever goes away is a 0 or a 1. But if you think about it, if it was x minus 1 squared, that's not going away. But if it was x minus 0 squared, that would end up being x squared. So that means that the x coordinate is actually a 0. All right, that's not the easiest thing in the world to work your way through. Because we're so focused in on, okay, we're dealing with a circle, what do we have to do? And then all of a sudden it asks us this thing and we're kind of like, I'm not sure what it's even talking about. So anyways, what do you do now? So I'm going to go to 0, 2. And it wants me to sketch it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says sketch doesn't need to be beautiful. So I'm just going to kind of draw a circle. I'm actually okay at drawing circles. So maybe that's not a terrible looking circle, but I established that I understood the radius is supposed to be 4 by going 4 in each direction. And then if my circle's not great, then I leave it. If I'm on a piece of paper taking a test or something, I would very easily just go ahead and use my compass as long as I got it. And there's ways to draw circles in here. I believe if you go to the draw, yeah, there's this guy here, and I think you can draw a circle. And you could drag it. Whoops. That's not letting me move it. But I should be able to drag it. I think it's because I'm on like tablet mode. It's not letting me drag it. But you can drag that circle over and drop it, and you can kind of stretch it out and make it look good that way too. That'd be perfectly fine if you're working on a computer.